For this temporary shelter, we're going to start with 2 T-posts, about an inch or so apart, or a little bit more, so that you can put a piece of plywood. It's going to slip right in there, and then we want to put the next pair about 4 feet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll set the next pair right there.
Which way is this?
I guess it doesn't matter with the teeth in or out.
Same.
And then we'll put another one about an inch apart from that one. All right, now we're going to grab one of the treated sheets off the back of the truck and slip it right in there. They're 114 pounds. Tried to smash the back of the window.
I don't want to smash the back of your truck. So just grab all 3. The last time I grabbed something that was 400 or 500 pounds, I had to go to the chiropractor the next day.
They aren't light, are they? Yep, you're going to slip it right in between. You make a sandwich there. Whew.
Maybe I should have been teeth out here.
That should be good enough.
Good enough?
These are 3-inch screws, so I'm going to have to run them at an angle, or else they're going to come sticking out. See, you didn't know that buying hogs for me was going to be a full service event.
No.
But I felt bad. I felt bad that I said no to your other spot that you had picked out, but this spot is going to be pretty nice for these guys.
Now the best part is already fenced into.
And since it's already, the end of winter, this little bit of a shelter here should be plenty to at least give them a dry corner to get out of the rain.